Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay October 7, 2024 Monday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong October 7, 2024 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong October 7, 2024 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for October 7, 2024 Monday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for October 7, 2024 Monday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of October 7, 2024 Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.